Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SOIL token. Name of the token is SOIL, ticker symbol is also SOIL. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is getting actually a few central exchange listings. So it says their IDO was 100% sold out, and that just happened 20 hours ago. They just announced that on their Twitter as of recording this video. So it says the big day is almost upon us. The SOIL Central Exchange listing is only 1 day away. So SOIL will be available on Mexc Global, on Gates, and Uniswap starting at 11 a.m. and 11:05 UTC time. So yeah, you'll be able to get this token in all different ways. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SOIL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can earn USDC in a fully regulated DeFi protocol managed by professionals, a blockchain-based lending protocol backed by real-world assets. Now on their webpage, which you can find at soil.co, there is a 35-page white paper linked on there with tons of information on there. So SOIL is a blockchain-based lending protocol that bridges the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, reshaping corporate debt and fixed income investments. It is a debt marketplace where established companies can obtain financing and crypto investors can lend their stablecoins to earn yield derived from the real-world assets that exist off-chain. We make money by taking a percentage of the interest paid by borrowers to lenders and fees earned by facilitating their connection. The mission is to provide crypto investors with stable, attractive, and secured yields on stablecoins, and to open an alternative source of liquidity for traditional and regulated financial markets. SOIL is a unique platform that facilitates direct crypto loans between market participants by combining a crypto lending protocol with a corporate debt marketplace. Our crypto lending feature provides a stable and competitive yield, which is also powered by secured cash flows generated by established businesses operating outside of the blockchain industry and backed by real-world assets. Our debt marketplace enables traditional economy companies that seek resources to finance their operations and growth to obtain capital. By leveraging blockchain technology, SOIL allows these companies to gain direct access to financing through loan pools managed by dedicated debt funds. Furthermore, SOIL aims to allow users to borrow fiat money seamlessly against their stablecoin holdings without selling them. At SOIL, our aim is to provide our users with a secure and reliable financial service. We strive to make borrowing and lending as straightforward and efficient as possible with a user-friendly interface and a commitment to maintaining the highest standards of security. SOIL stands out from our competitors because we take a unique approach to secure our operations and generate yield, unlike other leading protocols that base their blockchain business models either on a money market mechanism with interest rates derived from supply and demand for offered assets, or by utilizing staking rewards for major proof-of-stake blockchains. We secure our operations with cash flows generated by established businesses operating outside of the crypto world. At Soil, we take risk mitigation seriously to enhance the protocol's safety, cover default risk, and provide additional comfort for risk-averse lenders. We establish a multi-guarantee fund that secures stablecoin loan repayments. So Soil's native token, the Soil token, has an economical, reasonable inbuilt floor price mechanism that captures the protocol's profits and scale velocity. The token gives its holders unique protocol usability while simultaneously creating lasting value for its owners. Now, they go over the whole market overview, the DeFi market, the problem statement, their solution statement. They have tons of information, especially on their white paper. There's just, pages and pages, 35 pages of the tiniest print. They do have a full roadmap on there, which is pretty useful, but again, it is very lengthy here. And they have tokenomics listed on here. Team information is on here, so you can check out at least 4 team members, even an investment team. They all have full names, pictures, LinkedIn addresses where you can go check out, who they are, what they look like, all that type of stuff on there. Now they have token distribution here. So total supply of the Soil tokens amount to 100 million, and it will be distributed as follows. So 12.5% of the tokens go to Foundation, 2.6% goes to Seed, then we have 3.8% private investors, 12% lending incentives, 4.4% IDO, 15% staking rewards, 10% ecosystem advisors and partnerships, 19% treasury, community and development fund, 5% liquidity providers, and 15% team. And lastly, 0.7% goes to marketing partners. So on their webpage, you can find more information as well. It says trusted by Mount TFI, Polygon, CDeFi, 3 dots. They have tons of companies on here. Little videos you could watch on their webpage. Meet the team section, how it works. So with the token, you can use it for yield tokenization, earn rewards, yield booster. It's a deflationary token, increases in value. There's frequently asked questions on the page. They have a LinkedIn, a Discord, a Telegram, an X, contact email. Check it all out, soil.co. This token gets listed on Uniswap also very shortly, within 24 hours or so. Then we have Uniswap, Gate, and Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box. So check out all the referral codes there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.